If you own XRP, you really need to pay attention right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well today. We're going to talk about XRP, the crypto markets, and why this week could be one of the most important weeks of the year. But first, quick reminder. Investing in crypto is risky. Coins can collapse, exchanges can shut down, wallets can get hacked. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and I'll never message you asking for money or signups. Stay sharp, stay safe. All right, let's get into it. XRP is trading around $3.04, slightly up on the day. Bitcoin is holding strong above 116K. Ethereum is at $4,600, and Solana is around $240. The really interesting part? The altcoin market cap just hit a new all-time high. Altcoins are looking very strong right now. Now here's why this week is so critical. On Tuesday, we'll get August retail sales data. On Wednesday, all eyes are on the Fed's interest rate decision. Markets expect a cut, but the real reaction will come from what's said in the press conference about the months ahead. This matters because markets move on expectations. Back in 2008, stocks started rising months before the economy recovered, because big money was already pricing in the future. That's why what the Fed says this week could move everything. Bitcoin, XRP, altcoins, you name it. Thursday, we'll also get jobless claims, adding more fuel to the mix. So, buckle up. It's going to be a volatile week. Now let's zoom in on XRP. Over the weekend, XRP touched $3.18 before pulling back, but the breakout structure is still alive. Interestingly, XRP even flipped Citigroup in market cap for a moment. Think about that. XRP being valued like a global banking giant. That shows how far this asset has come. Of course, not every week in crypto is fireworks. Sometimes interest slows down like it did back in June, but those quiet times are often followed by big moves, so don't let the lull fool you. This is part of the game. Beyond price, the bigger story is adoption. Just recently, Visa and MasterCard doubled down on tokenized payments to cut fraud and speed up transactions. Tokenization and stablecoins, that's where the big players are putting focus. And Ripple, XRP, they're right in the center of that trend. Now, let's dream a little. By 2030, some analysts believe Bitcoin could reach $2 million, Ethereum $80K, Solana $4K, and XRP $53. For XRP, that's around a 17x move from where we are now. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. But considering inflation, adoption, and how quickly markets evolve, it's not impossible either. But in the short term, don't get distracted. This week's Fed decision will set the tone. We could see XRP pump into the announcement, then sell off afterward. So trade carefully and don't risk what you can't afford to lose. And please, one more reminder. Protect yourself. When you see headlines about exchanges holding XRP, remember, those assets usually belong to customers, not the exchange. And never ever click on suspicious links or emails. Scammers are everywhere. Always go directly to official websites. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more XRP updates. And as always, stay safe, trade smart, and let's make some money.